In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Notion. Centering content in Notion can be a little confusing because there isn't a native center alignment for regular text. The easiest and most reliable workaround is to use a block equation, which naturally centers whatever you put inside it. I'll walk you through that and share a few tips so your text looks the way you expect. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. Give it a moment to load your workspace. Once you're in, you can either create something new or work with a page you already have. If you want a fresh canvas, click New Page and name it so you can find it later. If you've already got a page where you want centered text, open that page instead and scroll to the spot where the centered line should go. Now it's time to insert the equation block that will do the centering for us. Click into the page where you want the centered line, then add a block equation. The fastest way to do this is to type a / to open the command menu, then start typing block equation and select it from the list. You can also use the little plus button that appears when you hover between blocks, search for block equation, and insert it that way. You'll see a special equation box appear on the page, and by default, this block is centered. Inside that equation box, enter the text you want centered. Because this is technically a math block, you'll get the cleanest result by wrapping your text with the math command that tells Notion to render it as regular text. Type / the word text, followed by your message in curly braces. For example, type /text / your centered text here. When you click away or press enter, your text will appear centered on the page. If you don't use the text wrapper, Notion may format characters as math symbols, so the #text / command keeps it looking like normal writing. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Use a block equation, not an inline equation, because only the block version centers on the page. Keep in mind that formatting options inside an equation block are limited compared to normal text, so stick to simple lines of content for the cleanest look. If you need multiple centered lines, add another block equation beneath the first and repeat the same process. That's it. Open Notion, create or open a page, insert a block equation, and enter your text with #text so it renders cleanly and stays centered.